In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Kaspersky Plus quickly and easily. Whether you want to safeguard your computer against malicious threats or just ensure peace of mind when browsing the web, Kaspersky Plus is a fantastic choice for comprehensive protection. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process without any further ado. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Kaspersky's official website. Once you're there, you should be able to see numerous options and products tailored for personal and business use. The first thing you want to do is click on the tab labeled My Kaspersky. This portal is the heart of your account activities and where you'll manage your downloads and licenses. Once you've clicked My Kaspersky, you'll be directed to a page specifically designed for account management. If you haven't logged into your Kaspersky account, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials now. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and simple to create one. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get set up. After successfully logging in, look for the Downloads section. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to find without any hassle. Clicking on Downloads will lead you to a page where all available Kaspersky products are listed. This is where you'll find Kaspersky Plus, along with all its features and benefits. Next, identify the Kaspersky Plus option from the list. This is the product we'll be installing, so go ahead and click on it. By selecting Kaspersky Plus, you'll get access to the latest version with the most up-to-date security patches and enhancements. Once you've clicked on Kaspersky Plus, the next step is to click the Download button. This action will initiate the download of the installer package for your device. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. It's best to have a stable Wi-Fi connection to ensure the file downloads correctly. After the download is complete, open the file to begin the installation process. Usually, you'll receive some prompts to allow permissions for installation. Make sure to read through each message and click Yes or Allow as necessary. Following these prompts carefully will ensure that Kaspersky Plus is installed correctly and without any interruptions. Once Kaspersky is installed, it'll run its first scan to check for any existing threats. Let it complete before proceeding to enjoy the full benefits of enhanced cybersecurity. Remember, having a reliable antivirus is crucial for protecting your sensitive information and keeping your digital life secure. And there you have it. With these few straightforward steps, you've successfully installed Kaspersky Plus and fortified your system against potential threats. Stay safe and secure online, and thank you for watching.